Alright, so as I mentioned before in a previous video, I do have a new webcam. This is the Nulaxy USB plug and play webcam, the model C906. I haven't seen too many videos on this specific one. I don't think there's that much of a difference between the C900 or the C905 model. I think this particular one, it comes with the tripod, but it also comes with autofocus, and there's something else, but we'll probably get into that as we unbox this. So this is a 1080p webcam, built-in stereo mic, privacy cover, plug and play, autofocus. Let's check it out. That comes with a warranty card, Nulaxy, and this was purchased from Amazon, and they were doing a deal, so I kind of got a bit lucky because this version, the C906 version, is actually cheaper, even though it's meant to be more expensive than the C000 version. But here is the tripod stand it comes with. It's pretty basic, but I mean, this is a cheap webcam. This is just meant to be a slight upgrade to the webcam that I'm currently using, which is my MacBook Pro 720p webcam. So there you go. And I believe this is it itself. And here we are. Looks pretty nice. Looks pretty nice. 1080p. And I believe there's a slide for the privacy cover. That's cool. Model number. I believe this is like a clamp. Yeah, this is the clamp. It's quite sturdy, so that is good. And it's not USB type C, but it's normal USB. I have a Mac, one of the latest MacBooks, so it would have been nice if this was a USB type C. But regardless, I'm gonna set this up and we're gonna see how it looks. I'll probably even do a comparison from my MacBook Pro 720p camera to this one, because online you'll see like comparisons between a cheap webcam or this webcam to like more expensive one like Logitech webcams or Uckley, I think they're called. But I'm gonna compare this to the 720p because I'm upgrading from that, and this is the type of webcam that would benefit someone who is upgrading from their normal laptop webcam. So yeah, that is that. Let's check it out. Alright, so as you can see right now, I'm using my 720p MacBook Pro camera webcam, and it's 720p. As you can see, it's not the best. So this should give you an idea of what the difference is between the Nulaxy camera that I'm about to put on now and this. What's good? I'm back. This is the Nulaxy webcam right now. No added lighting or nothing. This is just exactly the same. And as you can see and notice, it's auto-focusing as I'm moving, which is really good. But as you can also see, it's really dark. It is really dark, so I would definitely adjust the lighting. It's 30 frames per second. I'm not going to be doing that much movement anyway for it to really stand out, so that's fine. But as you can see, it's pretty good. It is pretty good. Definitely better than the default camera, which is this. I'm going to switch to it right now. This is the default camera. As you can see, you can tell the difference in quality. It is the default camera that comes with the MacBook Pro, basically. So back to the Nulaxy camera. Here we are. It has a slight different orientation compared to the default camera that comes with the Mac, but this is good. Like, you're getting decent quality for what you're paying for. The darks are real dark though, and I am using an external light source. I'm gonna have to buy some more lighting because I'm only using this at the moment. So I feel like with more, like, well, better lighting in general, this will work out really well, I think. And for the money, I think it's good. I would recommend it if you're in a situation like me, which is I'm using a default webcam. So yeah, autofocus works really well. As you can see, it's active right now. I am using my external microphone. So I could test out how the audio sounds. Let me know in the comments if you do want to know about the actual sound of the audio for this, because I'm not going to use the audio for this at all. There's just no reason for me to when I've got an external mic anyway. But yeah, those are my initial thoughts. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Like the video, share it, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.